Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to this free market update for tomorrow, Friday, Jobs Payroll Friday, first Friday of the month, every month. Second time doing this video. First time the audio didn't work, so I don't know, maybe I'll do a little better job this time. We'll see. Starting off with the bonds here, as you can see, back into the 21, and I look for a dip down in these bonds tomorrow on the report. Probably down to this voodoo line around, we'll call it a high 147 handle into an early 148, but basically probably high 147 would, one full point. One full point on the report would be my guess. The dollar was also pulling back. It looks just like this chart, and what a lot of times we see is they dip down on the report and then reverse course and start to trade higher. So maybe next week we get the resumption of bid in the dollar and the bonds. But let's go look at the stocks. Here's your S&P. Almost made that 2065 sort of symmetrical move target up there. Made 58 today. That was pretty darn close. And normally we observe that the indices remain bid overnight into this payroll report. Typically that's the case. With that, we get some decent numbers tomorrow. We get this thing to spike up a little bit and then sort of roll over on the, I don't know what time tomorrow, but, sometime tomorrow start to roll over a little bit on some. I mean, come on. Look at the profit that's in the longs here. If you've been long for a good bit of this, tomorrow you're taking you some down and you're going to enjoy your weekend. So anybody that's been long for this is going to be doing some of that tomorrow, and this thing's going to pull back. That'd be my guess. So I don't know which way it goes on the report. We'll see. But then with that, look for it to kind of pull back on the headed into the weekend sort of thing. Go enjoy the fruits of your labor type stuff. So hope this helps. Good trade, nice evening, good trade tomorrow. Be careful on that report. We'll do it again next week. And until then, good night.